Today we're going to see one of the improvements made in PDFDocument starting with Xojo 2022 Release 1. This improvement is the ability to now render the reports created in Xojo at full vectorial quality. As you know, Xojo brings you the ability to create your own reports using the integrated report editor. So once you have the report layout you want to use, you can include such report in your PDF document as you do when printing to a printer using the regular graphics class. The main difference here is that you only need to provide the graphic context from the PDF document instance when invoking the run and print methods from the report instance. So basically, this is the same procedure you're used to when printing reports, except that in this case, it is not necessary to go through the printer dialog. Finally, we only need to save the document to a file on disk. Prior to this release, the report was generated as a bitmap image. That means the quality is just not as good as you would expect, specifically when the document is zoomed beyond 100%. But that has been improved in the new release, and when we now create the PDF from the same report, we can see how it's not embedded in the document as a bitmap image anymore. In fact, we can see here how the quality is what you could expect, full vectorial. That means that all of the items on the report will remain crisp even when using zoom levels beyond 100%. In addition, because the text is not bitmap, you can select it, copy it, or even use the indexing or search features provided by the PDF Reader app. The best part is that you won't need to change a line of code in your Xojo project in order to get this quality in your reports printed to PDF.